'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition, and stress keeps getting in the way of my ambition. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying it's over before it starts. I'm looking over my shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I start feeling cold, get caught up in something old and spin further down the rabbit hole. Down I go, down I go. I fell for you. Nothing has been quite the same since I fell for you. I can't recognize myself. I watch your stories, I like it. We could be close before the night ends. So into you. My heart is racing, I can't help myself. You never look my way, I'm stuck in this headspace. I've been daydreaming, dreaming, gave up on sleeping, feeling like I'm high on fever, you know.
Something that I haven't yet shared on my other platforms is that I was recently selected to be a part of the L'Oreal Consumer Beauty Collective. I'm super proud of myself and so excited to be a part of it because I've been applying to a lot of programs like the Ulta Beauty Collective, the Polish Choice program, and all of those things, and I haven't been selected for anything. So I was starting to feel like really down about not getting selected, but then I received the email that I was selected for this program, so I'm super excited about it. I'm actually about to head into Ulta right now to go pick up my first round of products. So the brands that it encompasses are like L'Oreal, Garnier, Maybelline, Essie, NYX, like all of them. So I'm really excited, and I'm about to take y'all in there with me because I'm not sure what I want to get just yet, so we gonna see once we get in there.
I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, bet it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall. Polo socks, polo jaws, keep it 10. Beat the odds, hit my line. What you want? I pick up, get it all. Love singles.